Hello, I'm Dr. David Adams. I look forward to joining you this summer for a workshop on the subject of the biblical theology of the presence of God. This is such an important topic for two reasons. First, it's one of the ways that the faith of Old Testament Israel is most different from its ancient Near Eastern neighbors. And second, the Bible's understanding of the presence of God provides the foundation for so much of the Bible's other theology that it's critically important for seeing how everything that the Bible teaches about God and how He is to be worshiped is tied together. In this workshop, we'll explore both of these important issues. So I think this is a really critical topic for anyone who cares about the theology of the Bible. And I look forward to seeing you there as we examine this subject together.